What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Discord bot. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to need to do is look up Discord developer portal. And once we're here, we can go ahead and click on our developer portal. And it may ask you to log in, that's all cool. And once you're here, on the left side, try and find applications and click on it. Okay guys, so now what we need to do is we need to actually make the Discord bot. So we're going to click this new application up here. And we're going to give this a name. I'm going to name it tutorial bot. And you can go ahead and set an icon. I'll just do some random thing I have and we can save that. Now we need to actually make the bot because we've made the application, but we haven't made the actual bot yet. So we're going to go ahead and click bot here and add bot. And it'll say add a bot to this app and you do yes. Now this is your token for your bot. This is the token. Yours will be different from mine. You never want to show anybody this token. If you do accidentally show somebody it, just make sure you click regenerate and then yes. It will restart your bot, but you get a new token. And then just you can copy that, and we're going to use this later, so make sure you have this. Okay, so now that you've made the bot, it's time to actually start programming the bot. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Eclipse or whatever you're using, and we're going to be making a Maven project. So I'm going to hit Java project here. You can use any version of Java you want. I'm going to use SE15. I'm going to name this tutorial. Finish. And you don't need to create that. And now that we're here, we're going to right click on this and go to configure, convert to Maven project. Now we're going to make this a Maven project because that's very simple and easy to do. Let me show you how. So you can put whatever you want for this. I'm just going to have tutorial version. We'll just do 1.0 snapshot, whatever. Packaging, make sure it's jar. Name, you can do whatever, you don't need it. And description, you don't need it. So you can just go ahead and click finish and it'll make this file for you. Now once you're here, I'm going to go ahead and have you paste in this. It's just a pre-made thing, easy for us. And all you have to do is change whatever you want here. So whatever you want your bot to be called, just make it tutorial like I said. And then we're going to go ahead and also paste that for your artifact ID. If you know more about Maven, you can do whatever. You can also use Gradle, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using Maven. I'll put the code to this copy-paste thing in the description below. So now that we've done this, just go ahead and save it, and you can close it. And we're going to go ahead and make our first package. Okay, and you're just going to name this whatever you want. I'm going to do it me.pray.tutorial. That is what I'm going to call my package. And then we need to make a class. So new class. And we can name this whatever we want. I'm going to go ahead and name it main. Just because that's what I am used to doing. And now once we're here, I like to first create a couple things we're going to be using throughout the bot creation in general. And that's basically just a prefix. So we're going to do public static string prefix equals and then whatever prefix you want. So I'm just going to use exclamation point because it's simple, but you can use whatever you want here. Now that we've done this, we need to do our public static void main. This is basic Java. If you know Java, you should not have too hard of a time with this. And now that we have that, we need to add something to the end here to make sure that it works. So we're going to do throws login exception. And that may come up as an error now, but it won't in a second. So now we need to make our token. Our token, as I told you, is this. So we're just going to copy this. We're going to go back into Eclipse, and we're just going to go ahead and do string token equals token, and just paste your token in. And there you go. You've set your token up. Now we need to do a few more things before we can actually turn the bot on. So JDA builder, JDA equals JDA builder dot create default, and then we're just going to pass through token. Now if you wanted to, you could paste this long thing into here, but I just for simplicity like to organize it like this. Now we can just do JDA.build and it should work now. And we need to import login exception, by the way. Now realistically, if we run our bot with this run button up here, it should give you a console like this, and you should be able to see it online, but we need to invite it to the server first to actually use it. So we're going to go into this. This is the Discord developer portal, and we're going to go to OAuth2. And we're just going to do bot You don't have to worry about the other things for now. And I usually just give it admin because I'm just testing the bot, but you can figure out whatever permissions you want to give your bot in the future. And then you just copy this link right here and just paste it. Once you paste in the link, just select the server you want. So I have a test server here. And just go ahead and click continue, make sure that's checked, and click authorize. And then it may ask you to make sure you're human, blah, blah, blah. We got it. Now if we open up Discord, you should see that your bot has joined. And if you run it in the console, right here with the run button, it should say it is online. So there you go. You've started your bot, and you've made this simple little first bot here. But we want to add some things for the bot to do, just to make it a little more homey feeling. Now, as you see, in other bots, it says like watching, help. You want something like that on your bot, which we're going to do right now. So we're going to open back up Eclipse, and we can just go ahead and stop the bot with this terminate button. Also, once you do this terminate, I usually click these double X's here because it does just help in the long run. It's kind of hard to explain why it helps, but it does. So just go ahead and do that, and now we're going to go back here. So we want to set the status of the bot. So you see how my status is do not disturb. Well, you can actually do that for the bot. So we're going to make the bot status do not disturb. So JDA.set status, and then we are going to do online status dot do not disturb. And there you go. This status is now set to do not disturb. And now, as I showed you with the other bot, it says watching help, and you might want to do that on yours. So we're going to do that real fast by doing JDA.set activity.watching, and then you can put whatever you want here. So I'm going to do prefix plus help. There you go. So what this is doing is it's setting the activity of it to prefix plus help. So whatever you put here is going to show up in front of this help. Alright, so I don't know why it's not going to do not disturb. It's being weird. We're just going to set it to idle because why not? It's a little bit easier. So if we run it, you'll see it shows up as idle right here, watching exclamation point help. So there you go, guys. You set up your first bot. Congratulations. It's very exciting. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try and be answering them. But yeah, guys, let me know what else you would like to see on the bots. By the way, if you thought you could do anything with my token, I'm going to be changing it right after I upload this, so you don't have to be able to do anything with it, so don't worry. But yeah, congratulations on your bot, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.